My name is Morgan A. Owens from Cincinnati, Ohio, and I am a boss babe. I really garnered a lot of my support from the Cincinnati community, especially women minority entrepreneurs who were seeking the information that I was giving out. People really supported it. And I tell people all the time, I'm successful because of really strangers. Really, a lot of, day twos in my business have become day ones. They don't even know me, but they believed in what I was doing, believed in my mission, believed in my story. And I think that is just amazing. So really, my community has been my biggest support system. Sparkle is an important part of my life because I lived 27 years being dull, not sharing my gift and my light into the world. So now that I found my inner sparkle, for that to me means your inner self-love. If you love yourself, I'm a firm believer you can do whatever it is you want, right? If you love yourself, you'll be confident to go for that job. If you love yourself, you'll be confident to get out of that toxic relationship. If you love yourself, you'll be able to start a business. If you love yourself, you'll be able to, go out and get it. So that is what sparkle means to me. Oftentimes people feel like where they came from is why they can't be successful. And I wanted to show people, no, you can come out of the mud, you can come out of the dark spaces in the world and ultimately find your sparkle.